Hi beautiful family, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I will show you how to make YAO Woman Rice Water for extremely faster hair growth, and I will take you step by step on how to apply this rice water for best result to grow your hair super long and faster. So if this video sound like what are interesting, keep on watching and please watch this video to the end. Without further ado, let's dive into today's video. This rice I'm going to use, and this is the type of rice I have at home. Use any rice of your choice, okay? There's no specific type of rice on this rice water recipe. I'll pour in the rice into a bowl and transfer in water to rinse out the dirty and the preservative they use to preserve the rice. So depend, if you want more larger quantity of rice water, increase the measurement of your rice, okay? So make sure that you do this first rinse. Is very important. After washing the first one, so throw away the water is not useful, okay? Next thing now is to pour in another water inside the rice. This time around we are not going to throw away the water. This is how YAO Women do it. So they are using their two hands to rub in the rice to get the nutrients of the rice into the water. So if you choose, you can use one hand or two hands, but if you use your two hands, it will be more faster. YAO Women, they did this for 5 to 10 minutes, so I'm going to do my own 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, this is what I got so far. The rice have released the nutrients into the water. If your own water is not coloring this way, you have not gotten it, okay? So I'm trying to dab my hand inside the rice water. As you can see, you cannot see my hand. The only thing you see is the rice water. So this time around, we are not using the rice, we are using only the rice water. So I'm going to transfer the rice water into my pot. YAO Women, they use a pomelo of fruit to has the smell of this rice water, and I don't have the pomelo of fruit. The next option is orange peel. So while peel your orange peel, do not allow the fresh to enter into the orange peel. So I peel the orange peel and transfer it into my rice water pot. YAO Women, they boil it up to 8 to 10 minutes, but I'm going to boil mine 10 minutes. So this is how it's looking like. So I'll transfer it into a fire. So it has started boiling. You can see the orange peel have started changing in color and it started getting softer. So once it's 10 minutes mark, I'll off my gas and transfer in the water into a bowl to allow it to cool down a little bit. So next thing, I bring my jar. Make sure you're using something that have very tiny cover, okay? It doesn't mean that it will be a jar. Any container you have that the cover is very tiny, you are good to go. So I first of all transfer my orange peel into the jar. Next thing, I pour in the rice water into my jar. YAO Women, they add another essential things to help for the smell. So I don't have that. So what I have is then tea tree essential oil. I drop a few drop of my tea tree essential oil and mix it very well, and next thing I use my cover to cover it. So some ferment this thing for 1 week, while some ferment it for 1 month. So I'm going to ferment my own for only 7 days. So 7 days later, this is what I got so far. As you can see, the rice have settled down. So next thing is to shake it very well for everything to mix up together. So I'll use my shifter and my bowl to collect my rice water. After collecting my rice water, this is what I got so far. So I will bring my applicator bottle to transfer my rice water into my applicator bottle. The rice water is ready to be used. This is how the YAO women prepare their rice water. So next thing now is how they use it. YAO women, they pour the rice water into a bowl and bend their hair to collect the rice water to be pouring on their hair. You know, my hair is kinky hair. My hair is natural kinky hair. Natural kinky hair is different from YAO women hair texture. Another option is for me to transfer into my spray bottle and be spraying it on my hair. I make sure that I spray this very well on the strands of my hair and on the scalp of my hair. It's very, very important. So I work in session to make sure that I coat this rice water very well all over my hair. There's some benefit to be gotten on using rice water on your hair. Rice water contains vitamins and minerals that nourish the hair and scalp, encourage hair growth, also increase the shine of hair, make the hair stronger and detangle your hair. Immediately I apply this rice water on my hair. The effect I got on my hair is so nice. My hair feels so soft. My hair feel like I apply leave condition or deep condition on my hair. Guys, this rice water, if you have not tried this YAO Women rice water, you need to give it a try. If you have not tried rice water before on your hair, please prepare this YAO Women rice water. Try it on your hair. You will never regret the result to be gotten on using this rice water on your hair. This rice water is for everyone, okay? Like my hair is low porosity, okay? So whether you have low porosity or high porosity or medium porosity, try this rice water. You will see a great change on it. The orange peel and the essential oil is really a good work on the smell of this rice water. This rice water do not smell any horrible. It do not smell as rice water. If you are wondering for the smell of this rice water, the orange peel and the essential oil did a great job on it. After applying it on my hair, I'll give myself a gentle scalp massage, okay? Try to massage your scalp. It's also going to help to see the good results of using this YAO Women rice water. After massaging my scalp, I'll still apply more rice water on my hair, the part that I feel like they are not really coated very well. So YAO women, they used to wrap their hair. So my hair is kinky hair. I cannot wrap my hair. So only option I have is to use my cellophane nylon to cover my hair for it to attract some heat. So YAO women, they wrap their hair and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm going to leave my own for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes later, I'm in the bathroom. YAO women, they used to use stream water. They used to go to stream and rinse it out, but I don't have access to stream. So only option I have is to use my shower, my normal tap water to wash this out. And secondly, they don't used to use shampoo to shampoo it out. So I'll be using Mind shampoo, okay? I cannot leave this alone on my hair. I'll use my shampoo to shampoo this out. So first thing, I treat my hair with water. Make sure that the rice water is out of my hair, and also my hair is really straight water very well before I can use my shampoo on it. If I watch up to this point, you're the real MVP. Thank you so much, and let me know in comment section below. Comment yes, I have watched up to this point, and I really appreciate that. And also, if today is your first time stopping by in the channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Do not make it your last. Join this beautiful family by subscribing. You are not going to regret it. In this channel, I teach how to use home remedies, DIY, to grow your natural hair or relax hair or dreadlock, any type of hair you'll have. Suppose you want to grow that hair healthy and beautiful and longer, this channel is for you. Okay, so join this beautiful family by subscribing, and once you subscribe, make sure you turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. My returning subscribers, thank you for always come back to watch my videos. I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys so much. If you have not liked this video, please help me to click on that like button. It really helps the channel to grow, and also it encourages me to push out more good content out there. And share this video to your family and friends, okay? And also leave a comment in comment section below. Have you tried YAO Woman Rice Water before? And if you have not tried it, also let me know in comment section below, and let me know if you are going to give it a try. After shampooing the hair, I used a deep condition to deep condition my hair, but I lost that clip. I'm so sorry, I lost that clip, okay, on when I was deep condition my hair. So but please, after shampooing your hair, deep condition your hair, okay? So this is how my hair is feeling like. My hair feels so soft, my hair feels so manageable. My hair is very, very nice. The texture of my hair is so beautiful. So guys, I hope this video is very helpful to you. If you have not liked this video, please click on that like button, share this video, subscribe to the channel so you'll not be missing more of my future upload. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.